For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Suraj Suresh. Well, on Monday night or Tuesday morning, there was a ghastly attack at the line of actual control at the Indochina border, and this has resulted in over 20 of our Indian soldiers being martyred at the line of actual control. But probably now the talks are still going on, but we could understand whether the stars didn't align or probably they had an impact on the kind of conflict of the standoff which took place. To understand all of this, we have the internationally renowned astro guru as well as the scientific astrologer as well, Sachidananda Babu. First, let's understand. A few days back, we had spoken to you. That time you had said probably in the coming few days, we will be seeing a huge war kind of situation between India as well as at the borders in particular. So what would you like to say? What exactly happened because of the standoff there?
See, we look at the planetary alignment. I've been maintaining this for the last couple of months also in your very own channels. I said because of a very major solar eclipse that occurred in December 2019, where 6 planets aligned in the sign of Sagittarius. I said, there can be border clashes. I also spoke about the virus. And a couple of days back on News 9, I also mentioned very clearly that, the borders will hear the sound of the guns. And China and Pakistan will try to play some games with us. I also mentioned very clearly this is the timing, that they're digging their own graves as well. And unfortunately, this happened. I am calling this unfortunate because it's very unfortunate to have lost our very valuable soldiers who are protecting our country, and this is a very terrible loss for the country. So I don't need to be really glorified on this. I feel very guilty that I had to make such a prediction. And now, there's a very bad solar eclipse in the coming months, coming days. 21st of June, we have a similar solar eclipse that occurred in 2019 December in the sign of Gemini, which is opposite to the sign of Sagittarius. Keeping that in mind, I have very clearly said that China and Pakistan will stoop to all kinds of cheap games and activities and irritate India. But I also said India will hit back terribly so badly that they will dig their own graves. So now we have one more eclipse on the 5th of July. So that will be the triggering point. And in December, we have one more total solar eclipse, though not visible in India. So all these are triggering points. And when this solar eclipse of the 21st happens, couple of days before or a couple of days after that, these border things can aggravate a lot, and we can hear the sound of the guns.
Now, there are talks which are underway between the Indians as well as the Chinese. It is in the matter of the External Affairs Minister itself going. So probably now can the stars align? Probably in the coming days, a diplomatic talk can happen and it could sort out, or do you feel that there'll be an escalation in the coming days, even though they are trying to de-escalate the matter?
Very honestly, there's no question of talks, doing any good to us, because we are talking to a country which has no values. We have 2 countries which have no values. One is China and one is Pakistan. And there's one more very important thing I need to tell here. In October, there's a major change in the transit of Rahu and Ketu. Ketu will be entering from Sagittarius to the sign of Scorpio, which is also the sign of China. So if not now, in October, the escalation can again happen, and China will stoop to all lowest levels to cause, irritation to us and try to establish their supremacy all around the world. But in the whole process, they are in for a very bad beating.
What do you feel will happen in the coming days? Like you mentioned, there could be possibilities that at one point India could retaliate in such a manner where China will have to think twice before they attack Indians as well.
See, these fellows will never learn lessons because they're born to be that way. And now, India is going to hit back very, very hard. But it may not be immediately. It may come closer to October also. But all said and done, this thing will go on for a pretty long time. It's not going to end very soon. And China and Pakistan also will stoop to the lowest of levels, showing, their very bad natures. And I think nature is planning to give them a banging very soon. The planets are also planning to give them a banging very soon. And they will have to face the consequences.
Well, absolutely. There you heard it. Probably now, even though talks are currently underway, Prime Minister Modi going ahead and saying that the martyrdom of the soldiers will not go in vain. We will retaliate. There will be talks which will be held. If that is not done, there will be military forces which will be giving answers. We'll have to go ahead and see. But like the Astro Guru has said now, probably India will be improving their artillery skills. They will be boosting the number of forces which will be there at the border, and there will be a retaliation. There will be a befitting answer that will be given to China. We'll have to see if the talks will actually work, or probably the stars will align and China will have to think twice before they attack India again. With camera person Jabbar, this is Suraj for News 9, Bengaluru.